Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the hottest debates right now. Can artificial intelligence like GPT replace Google search? Or is Google still king when it comes to finding information? Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know which tool to use and when. First, let's talk about how each one works. Let's ask Google latest iPhone release date. And we'll see that Google is a search engine. It crawls billions of web pages and gives you links ranked by relevance, freshness, and authority. Let's ask the same ChatGPT. And we'll see that GPT, like ChatGPT, doesn't actually search the internet live. Instead, it generates answers based on patterns in data it was trained on. Plus, sometimes it can fetch real-time info if connected to web browsers. So, right away we see the difference. Google shows you sources, GPT gives you answers. For example, we want to know the local weather. Results appearing instantly. The third trend is freshness. If you want the latest news or live scores, Google wins. GPT might lag unless connected to real-time data. Source variety. Google shows you multiple perspectives, blogs, news outlines, research papers, forums. And the third strength is verification. You can cross-check by clicking through to trusted sites. Let's see what ChatGPT shows us if we ask the same. Well, ChatGPT shines in other areas. First strength is direct answers. Instead of scanning 10 blue links, GPT gives you a clean, human-like summary. Second strength is contextual understanding. You can also follow up questions in natural language and it remembers the context. And creativity is the third strength of ChatGPT. If you want an email draft, code snippet, or trip, Google can point you to resources, but GPT can't write it for you. And of course, both have weaknesses. For example, let's ask Google to plan a 3-day trip to Paris. And Google can overwhelm you with ads, SEO spam, information, and many links. Let's ask the same ChatGPT. And we'll see that GPT can sometimes be confidently wrong, giving outdated or incorrect info without citing reliable sources. So neither is perfect. The trick is knowing when to use each one. So, who searches better? If you want facts, breaking news, or academic sources, Google still leads. But if you want summaries, explanations, or help generating content, GPT is your best friend. It's not really about one replacing the other, it's about using them together. So, next time you are stuck between Google and GPT, remember, use Google for sources, GPT for answers. Together, they are unstoppable. What do you think? Could GPT ever fully replace Google? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AE breakdowns every week. See you next time.